I'm Lisa Dillon. I'm the manager here at the Jessup showroom. I just want to introduce one of my favorite appliances to you today. I actually have this at home. This is the Bosch 36-inch counter depth refrigerator. It has 2 compressors and the only freestanding refrigerator on the market that has those. You have the French door refrigerator. You can utilize the full width of the unit. You would have 2 crisper drawers here, temperature controlled, a deli drawer at the top, and 4 adjustable shelves. Currently right now I only have 3, just so I can fit something taller here. Internal water dispenser. Nice adjustable lighting. You can actually ramp this up or dim it down, so if you do have somebody that is light sensitive and doesn't want it so bright, you have that flexibility. You can also connect this to your cell phone as well. Freezer. It's a 3-level freezer. You have your larger bulk bin down here for your larger items. Ice bin is on the left. Additional storage here on the right, and then you have your 3rd upper rack as well.